Hi everyone, welcome to part 3 of the online module, How Planets Move. So the purpose of this section is just to get a feel about how the planets orbit around the sun in comparison to one another. When you're doing this activity, I want you guys to be intentional about what you're doing and to make observations that you can report back to the online module and you can record them. Um, During this, you can pick objects to include, so comets and asteroids. Uh, just a quick explanation. A comet is composed of snow, dust, and rock, while an asteroid is composed of metal and rock. So you can pick any of these, it doesn't matter. And then you can pick a set time. So, do I want it to start today? Do I want it to start years from now? When do I want it to start? And then you can pick a speed. You can mess around with the speeds, and then you just click animate, and you can watch how things work. So really make sure that you're making observations while you're doing this and you're taking something away from it. All right, have fun.